welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 3 of the Tricot knitting collection. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, if you enjoy knitting as much as I do, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Tricot Easy and Creative. This is the number 3 guys. And well, we're gonna open this up. This is of course from Planeta DeAgostini. Here it shows you how to make little hats for eggs. It seems like a weird little project, but I don't know. I mean, on one side they're kind of cute, but on the other side it's kind of strange. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. And here it shows you how to make your own like infinity scarf, which is pretty cool. It tells you everything you need. And then here it talks about a bee's nest stitch, which you can see here. It looks really nice. It looks a bit like a honeycomb. Here it shows you how to make like a little bag for lipstick. or for coins. And then here it teaches you how to make a pom-pom. It gives you a couple of different ways. Here it shows you like a basic kit for tricot or knitting. And then over here it gives you like the abbreviations and measurements and that sort of thing here. It's like a kind of cheat sheet. And well, on the back it tells you that the next edition, the number 4, will come with these 2 gray yarns and these 2 neat. And here on the back it shows you that the next will come with these 2 gray yarns and these 2 knitting needles, which is pretty cool. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now guys, it's time to check out our new additions to our knitting collection. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so first up we have this really nice yellow yarn, which is really soft. I am loving the yarn in this collection because it's just so nice. And then we got not only this yellow one, but we got this gray one as well. And now each one of these is very soft, and they're both 25 grams of each one. You guys tell me, what color do you like? The more yellowy mustardy one or the gray one? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, I'm gonna put this to the side, and now I'm going to show you the new knitting needles that we got. They're made out of wood and they are 6 mm or 6 millimeters. I really like them. I don't have a pair of 6 millimeters that are this short, so it's cool to have this as an option. I have some longer ones, but not like this, which is pretty cool. And I really like the wood. The ones that I have are metal. But well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motoing around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on there. I look forward to seeing you guys. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe if you haven't already to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down below, so make sure to check that out. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.